Subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English for English videos, and also subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes Urdu for Urdu videos, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos so you will get all the notifications. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed, and inshallah in this class we are going to start the prayer at the time of feeling anger. So let us start now. I will read first. You have to repeat after me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. So listen carefully now. A'udhu. The first is Hamza, so we say A sound, then there is Ain, so make sure to read Ain sound, and also there is Waw Madda. The Waw is coming with Sukun sign on it, and there is Dhamma on the before letter, that's why we long here as well. A'udhu. Zal we read it in soft sound. Billahi. So the name of Allah here we read in light sound, because before the name of Allah there is Kasra under the Ba. So if before the name of Allah Kasra comes, so we read the name of Allah in light sound. That's why we say Billahi minash shaytan. This Ta we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. That's why we say minash shaytanir. And Ra also we read in heavy sound due to Fatha sign on the Ra. And Jim we long here is Ya Madda. So we say again. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Alhamdulillah, we completed this dua. Inshallah in the next class I will come with the new dua. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. So inshallah, see you in the next class. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.